Okay, after driving hours to our Airbnb, we passed by this place here. This is one of the lighthouse, and I can see a lot of sheep who were running away. I wish I had a drone, but I didn't bring my drone. Anyway, this is one of the best sunsets I had in Adelaide. Let's check it out, this episode. If I only have a zoom lens, I can just show you guys how it look there in the haze with all those sheeps over there. But I don't have a zoom lens, so let's just sell for this, right? Ouch. Oh, I just hit something. My foot hurt. They're running away! No! Yep. Hey guys, I'm here at Corny Point Lighthouse, and that's the lighthouse. And this could be the last part of our trip for this area, because the thing is we'll be heading back to Adelaide tomorrow. So we'll be heading to our Airbnb there tonight, or in a few, and we'll be heading back to Adelaide tomorrow, first thing tomorrow. It's been a nice run, nice to be on the beach, and nice to get a dip in the water. So we'll see how it goes in a few, but as of now we're waiting for sunset, and then we'll be traveling back to Adelaide tomorrow. We'll be heading out to our Airbnb in a few. And yeah, that's it. Hey guys, I'm here at Corny Point Lighthouse, and this will be most likely the last destination of this leg of the trip. So we're currently here at Aniston National Park and Flora I forgot, Flora Peninsula, Flora. I'm just gonna put the name down here. I'm not really good with words. And yeah, the thing is, this will be the last destination for this leg. We'll be heading back to Adelaide tomorrow, and we'll be staying at the Airbnb somewhere around this place, which is Waruka. Laura got us this place where the host was very accommodating. We arrived earlier. We arrived around 12 and got the keys early, and we'll be heading down there late. So yeah, we'll be. So yep, this is it. And oh, my eyes are like blurry. I was hoping I can see some whales or some dolphins today, but no, I didn't see any. But it's good to be here also. Just take a dip in the water. Also today I was hoping I can see some dolphins or some whales or anything on the beach, maybe shark, but nah, didn't see anything. Just some people and some people. Yeah. So I'm seeing a lot of birds there. Look at all those birds. So yeah, I can see a lot of birds. I thought they were talking to me, but yeah, I think this will be the last entry of the vlog, and we'll be heading back to our accommodation, and yeah, that'll be it. You guys have fun, enjoy life. Ciao.